What if we could just do a survey, do some simple tasks and earn money? What if you could perform all of these tasks on your smartphone online, spending only a few minutes each day to earn real money online over and over again, with unlimited tasks with an instant cash withdrawal? I will walk you through how to create a completely free account on the Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is basically described as a global on-demand 24/7 workforce. So let's get into the video, but be sure to pay attention. As you can see, this is the official site of Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is also known as mTurk, is a crowdsourcing marketplace that make it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their work and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks like survey participation, content moderation, and more. While technology continues to improve, there are still many things that human beings can do much more effectively than computer, such as moderating content, performing data deduplication, or research. Traditionally, tasks like this have been accomplished by hiring a large temporary workforce, which is time-consuming, expensive, and difficult to scale, or have gone undone. Crowdsourcing is a good way to break down a manual, time-consuming projects into smaller, more manageable tasks to be completed by distributed workers over the internet. The benefit of this site is optimize efficiency, increase flexibility, and reduce cost. How it works. The requester have tasks they need to be completed, so they will send those tasks over to the mTurk marketplace, and then the worker, which is us, earn money and work on these different tasks that are presented to mTurk by the company. So let's go ahead and see how this actually works. And also there's a new feature available here. Amazon SageMaker Data Labeling. Create high quality data sets for training machine learning models. If you want to know more about this feature, let us know in the comment section. Let's get back to mturk.com. At the top of the right side, you can see there are two options available. One is sign in as a requester. Here you can create tasks. And another is sign in as a worker. Here you will get paid for completing simple tasks. Let's make money by making an account here. Create account. First write your name. Then write your email. Create a password. Re-enter it. And it's done. Solve this puzzle to protect your account. And it's done. Verify your email address. Open your email and you will see a verification code. Then enter the code here. Now you have to add your mobile number. To enhance your account security, add and verify your mobile number. Then enter the OTP and the verification is done. Worker registration. First you have to enter your country, then your first name, middle name, and last name. Then write your address, your city, state, and the postal code. The information will be used to complete a tax interview and verify your identity later in the process. Other information. How did you hear about Amazon Mechanical Turk? You can select your answer. The second question is, what is the primary reason you are interested in completing tasks on mTurk? By creating an account, you agree to Amazon Mechanical Turk participation agreement. Create account and it's done. We are reviewing your account to join Amazon Mechanical Turk. They will send you an email when your invitation is available. For the time being, click on the hits. As you can see, number of tasks and requests are available. You can see the requester on the left side, and here you can see the title. These are typically called hits. And under the hits column, here you can see how many times this task has been performed. You can see this task has been performed 727 times, and every time this task is performed, the person that did the task will earn $7.5 according to the reward column right here. So you can see that rewards vary from different amounts. Some tasks will earn you $1, some will earn you 25 cents, and some tasks can only be about 4 cents. And this is because different tasks have different difficulties and time consumption. Some tasks will take longer to do than others. Some tasks will be really quick and easy to do. For example, this task right here, we can assume it's gonna be really easy because it is only 3 cents. But a test that earns out $1 is probably going to take a little bit more time to do because it's probably a little bit more complex. And of course, you can preview all these tasks by clicking on the preview button right here. And if you want to accept a task, all you have to do is click on where it says accept and work, and it will guide you through the process of how to complete that task. So basically, if you're wondering how you get paid, if you accept the work, then you will be paid for doing that work. But if you reject the work, the worker is not paid. So if you reject a certain test, you obviously won't be paid for that task. And you also want to make sure that when you do tasks, that you are doing them correctly in the way the company wants. On the right side, you can see the time when it was uploaded. You can do all the available tasks without any limit. Here you can see they are paying $7.50 for a single task. If you click on the reward, you will see the highest paying task on the top. They are paying you $41.50 for a single task. Here you can filter your search. Select the option. 2 options are available here. I am qualified to work on and require master's qualification. Here you can sort it by reward amount or the creation date. You can set it to the newest first, so the latest task will be available. You can also select the reward amount and apply it. Now you can see many tasks which are posted currently, like the first task which is uploaded by the requester Team Z. The task is called Restaurant Receipt Invoice with Bonus Itemization. They will pay you 8 cents for this task. Here is another one. The requester is BBL. The task is collect recording of dog barking sound. You can record one or more dog barking at the same time for 30 seconds. They will pay you 65 cents for this task. This is another task which is uploaded 17 seconds ago. The requester wants you to find a logo for a given company. You can click on the preview for more details. Here you can see the details to do this work. You can click on accept and start working to get paid. Similarly, there are so many tasks like this which can be easily done within some minutes, and you can earn a lot by doing this task. Now I will show you the dashboard. Here you can see your total earning, the approved hits reward, bonus reward, and total awards. You can see all your earnings and tasks which are approved, rejected, or pending here. And on the right side, you can see the available earning which you can easily transfer to your bank account. Here you can see the hits overview, the approval rate, rejection rate, and pending. Everything will be shown here. It really depends on how much effort you are willing to put into Amazon Mechanical Turk. But anyways, that's how you can make money on Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.